This video will show you how to replace the lock on your Vasario cash drawer. We have two Lockset kits for the Vasario series. If your drawer's part number starts with VP101 and you have the push button on the front of your drawer, your Lockset kit must start with VPK-8PLS. All other Vasario drawers will use the Lockset kit starting with VPK-8LS. These kits will include the lock with 2 keys and the lock clip. Open your cash drawer and remove the till insert. Use pliers and remove the lock clip. This frees the lock for removal through the drawer front. Insert the new lock and install the new lock clip as shown. You have completed the lock replacement.